of host collaboration agreement and grant in aid sanction for Gujarat government if this bid gets accepted for CWG Games 2030. Big development coming in. Gujarat cabinet has approved signing of contracts if their CWG bid gets approved. Karishma, give us the context and the significance of this approval.
Well, absolutely, Priya. This is huge. Mansukh Mandavia, the sports minister, had earlier said that we want to bid for the 2030 Commonwealth Games and the 2036 Olympic Games. And in the backdrop of that, this is very, very important. And the fact that Ahmedabad is going to host the 2030 Commonwealth Games, if the bid were to be accepted and won by India when it takes place in the Commonwealth Games Federation. So obviously a huge, huge moment here. And now India will have to ensure that there is no stone left to be unturned when it comes to Commonwealth Games bid that is going to take place, and it is going to be a long process, a lengthy process. There is going to be competition from various other Commonwealth nations. You're going to have officials who are going to travel to India and see the inspection, see the infrastructure, see the stadiums, and then only process this particular bid. But if India does get the bid, then it is going to be a huge moment, because we are also planning to host the 2036 Olympics. So in that direction, in that step, this is going to be a very, very massive movement, so to say, when we talk about India finally becoming a sporting nation.
All right, in anticipation of those approvals coming in, there are already steps being taken. Thank you, Karishma, for joining us with those details.